A MyEmerson account is more than a place to order parts and products. It's an interconnected, personalized digital experience that includes everything from training and software management to technical documentation, product configuration, pricing, and more. Instantly accessible to you and your colleagues across the organization. With a MyEmerson account, you can easily view all the technical information you need, including serial number, service reports, and documentation to maintain Emerson products. Whether you're at your desk or in the field, you can access past records, order replacement parts, and, if necessary, schedule service, all to ensure that your operation keeps running smoothly. Implementing new solutions is easier than ever, too, thanks to a comprehensive set of engineering tools and a collaborative workspace environment. Team up with coworkers to select and configure products, and partner with Emerson's subject matter experts to solve your more complex challenges. When you've made your selections, share instantly with your procurement team to generate quotes and purchase orders. Once an order is placed, MyEmerson provides real-time visibility into order status and tracking information to help you plan project and maintenance schedules more accurately. MyEmerson also gives your organization a single access point to manage software portfolio licenses and keep you up to date on upgrades and hotfixes. Plus, your hardware and software records can integrate to relevant training, allowing your organization to actively assign, manage, and track competencies. MyEmerson. It's a unified digital experience that keeps you connected to the information and insights you need when you need them. Register today.